Gold, now we are based on monthly chart. We want to analyze the chart and see how we can trade for this year. Okay, as you can see, for gold, based on monthly chart, as you can see, the price break this high, the previous high. Now the question is, as you can see, we have the correction here. Whether this correction can give us a continuation for the up move, or still we can expect the price to drop for the bigger correction based on the monthly chart before we look for the up move. Okay, that's mean right now what we want to look into this correction. We see what's the next move based on the higher time frame. Okay, now this is what we want for this year, but before that we want, if the price break this high, then from there we can confirm how this correction is going to behave, whether this one can continue or the price can drop. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. If we move to lower time frame, daily chart, okay, how we can look into this chart. The first things is, if we put our trend line here, this means this is the correction we have it, the first option. Even there is a possibility the price break and move a bit higher, but what we can expect is still we can expect the price to drop. That means we will be within this correction. This is the first option. Okay, then the another option is, may the price break, continue and move higher and come to this high. If the second option happen, that means the price move to this high, continue and move higher, come to this top, then from there we need to consider whether this is the only correction and this is the start of the up move, or if the price come here, or we will be within the bigger correction for the next up move. Okay, this is how we're going to look into this chart for this month and how we want to trade it. But right now what we want to know what will happen here within this range, whether the price continue and come to this high for the second option, or the price will be correcting within this range. Okay, based on what we have right now, we don't have any information. That means we don't have any information whether the price from here can continue move higher or drop. Okay, that means we don't have any trade setup. In this case, we move to forward chart. Okay, based on forward chart, what we have here, we have these two correction. If I put this correction in relative to this and this, now we want to see whether this move is finished. Okay, that means we can expect the down move, or still we can expect the correction for the continuation. But okay, this is what we want to know. But when we move to when we look at the indicators, we see we don't have the divergence. Okay, even this one. Okay, if we compare these two. Okay, in this case, what we can expect is that still there is a possibility we get the correction for the continuation. That means if we want to look for buy, we need to get the correction similar to what we have here before we look for buy. Okay, but right now we don't have any trade setup whether for buy or sell. But from what I show here, it doesn't mean the price cannot drop. The price can drop, but if we want to look for sell, we need to get any sharp move with a small correction before we take the sell. Okay, but from what I said, if we want to look for buy, we need to get the possibility we get a similar correction for what we have here. If we get, then from there we can look for buy. But right now we don't have any trade setup, and mostly the price, if the price correct here, we can get one move up. Another one move up. We are not sure how high it can go. And even if we move to lower time frame based on forward 1 hour chart, we see based on the MACD also we don't have the divergence. Okay, even if we put this one here and compared to this one and compared to this, which is somewhere around here, okay, we don't have a divergence. Okay, that's why if the price wants to continue, if we want to look for buy, we need to get the correction before we look for buy. And for the sell, we don't have anything unless the price sharply drop, give a correction. Okay, what I can say is that both option we will have it, because based on daily chart we have two options. The first option again is maybe we will have this one. That means still the price can drop. The another option is the possibility of the price from here can continue and take this high. Okay, that's why based on lower time frame I show both option will possible, and I mention how we can trade. If we want to look for buy, we need to look for the correction, for example similar to what we have here. If you want for the look for the continuation, if you want to look for down move, any sharp small flag, we can look for sell. What I'm explaining here is based on lower time frame, 1 hour or 4 hour, not daily chart. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, we just follow the chart and see how we can trade it. Thanks.